Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. Hope all are doing good. Viewers, today in this video there is a job opportunities from 4 companies. Work location is Hyderabad. So let's get started. Viewers, first Senati Group is hiring BCom, BSc, BBA freshers. Work location is Hyderabad and Vijayawada. Freshers, experienced candidate both can apply. Designation is office assistant, account, executive positions. Account, like candidate who are willing to interested in accounts department should enter vouchers, journal, ledger entries in the books and tally, clear bank works, documentation. When it comes to office executives, attending telecalls, MIS reports making, draft typing. Required candidate profile viewers, candidate need to possess excellent communication skills both written and verbal in English, should have knowledge of MS Office and internet browsing skills, Telugu Hindi language skills, should have two-wheeler. So those who are interested, mainly eligible, can apply for this position. And yes, next, iProcess Services is hiring for sales executive, credit card senior executive position. Yes, work location Hyderabad. 0 to 5 years experience candidate can apply for this position. They are conducting walk-in interview from 28 January to 6th February 9:30 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. in the following address. Eligibility criteria viewers, any graduates can apply for this position. Simultaneously, candidate with experience in bank and financial services will be preferred but not compulsory. Age limit 18 years to 35 years. Work description includes maintaining periodic status reports, resolve customer queries, ensure customer satisfaction, follow various internal guidelines in completing the work, market mapping, cross-sell new product and service opportunities, responsible for achieving monthly sales targets assigned to him or her for various products and services. Interested candidates can attend walk-in interview. Viewers, next, Qslex company is going to hire associate position, work location Hyderabad. 0 to 1 year experience candidates are eligible for this position. Viewers, those who have completed BCom graduation from 2018, 19, 20 batch are preferred. Candidate need to possess analytical skills, finance skills, technical skills, decision making skills, exercise independent judgment based on the data and information available. Candidate need to be quality oriented, should be a good team player, should possess excellent communication skills both written and verbal in English, and follow ethics, treat people with respect, keep commitments and work with integrity. Those who are interested can apply for this position. Viewers, I'll provide link in the description. Viewers, last, Genpact, and they are hiring freshers, work location Hyderabad, record to report position. 0 to 3 years experience candidates are preferred. In order to apply for this position, viewers, candidate need to possess excellent communication skills and should be CA graduate, actively participate in detaching and fixing the problems reported by the customers, and as well as coordinating with operational training according to the needs of the business process and the new designation like management trainee, collection of data, backup to the support, movement on month, B journal entries, invoices, accurate backup of instant, prepare month end deck with include full trial balance with relevant variance analysis based on predetermined material. So those who are interested, viewers, mainly eligible, can attend the interview, viewers, and this is a US shifting from 5 p.m. to 2 a.m. Designation is management training. Interested candidates can attend the interview. All the best, viewers. Hope this video is useful for you. One company is conducting walk-ins, and viewers, please do like the video so that it will reach to a needy people who are in search of job, and subscribe our channel for all private and government jobs notifications. Thank you and all the best for your upcoming interviews.